Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a recurring meeting in Calendly. By the end, you'll have a reliable, repeatable schedule that people can book without you having to set it up each time. First, sign into your Calendly account. Once you're in, go to the Scheduling tab. This is where you control your availability and create a recurring pattern that fits your routine. You can open an existing schedule if you want to adjust it, or create a new schedule to keep this recurring meeting separate from your other availability. A dedicated schedule is helpful if your series has a specific cadence, like only on certain weekdays or within certain hours. Inside the schedule, go to the Availability section. Click the pencil icon to edit your availability. Before setting up your recurrence, clear any default weekly availability. This ensures Calendly only offers the times you explicitly define. Next, click Add Date-Specific Hours. This lets you choose exactly which days and times you want to open for bookings. For example, you could select Tuesdays and Thursdays and add the time slots that work for you. You can create multiple time windows for each day, depending on your schedule. Make sure your time zone is correct, so invitees see the right options. Once everything looks right, click Apply to confirm your recurring schedule. Take a moment to review the calendar preview to see exactly what your invitees will see. If you need to adjust the days, time slots, or date range later, simply return to the Availability area, click the pencil icon, and update your settings. And that's it. Your recurring meeting times are now live and ready for bookings. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more productivity tips.